Presentation for Advanced Highway Design and Traffic Safety. Our topic is leveraging AI to mitigate truck driver fatigue in transportation systems. This project was completed by Damon Rice, Evan Percival, and Victor Garcia. In this presentation, we'll share our research focus, key findings, and final recommendations. Let's get started. Artificial intelligence is transforming transportation by improving safety, human capability, and efficiency. One of the most urgent challenges is truck driver fatigue, which slows reaction times, weakens awareness, and increases the risk of severe crashes. The Federal Motor Carrier Safety Administration identifies fatigue.
Now we look at AI applications in truck safety. AI enhances detection, prediction, and prevention. It uses real-time monitoring using cameras, biometrics, and telemetry. It uses a predictive model for historical patterns and physiological indicators, and it also establishes insights, workload adjustments, and collision preventions. We then look at strategies for safety from wearables and in-vehicle AI. Wearables such as smartwatches, biosensors track biological data like heart rate variability. System fuse computer vision with vehicle data, provides personalized internal intervention from vehicle-based AI interactions. The use of early warning fusion models can detect critical drowsiness and real-time metrics like percentage of eyelid closure and steering fluctuations. Metric is advanced AI ML for real-time state classification. It shows fatigue detection, on-road testing, confirming AI systems accurately identify drowsiness and steering patterns, different eye movements, and AI-based models solved issues of sensors, systems, and drift and interface, and is also very dependable and cost-effective.
In order to come to a better understanding of the local impacts that come from truck driver fatigue, we decided to analyze the crash data involving trucks along the interstates within Georgia's 3 most populated counties. Selected crash data from the last 12 months on the online databases of GEARS, which stands for the Georgia Electronic Accident Reporting System, and the GDOT's own Numetric Data Dashboard site, and we only selected crashes that reported at least one severe injury or, along with that, either or a fatality that was involved. And you can see in those figures on the right what it looked like when we were filtering out those results. That's one such example for crashes along Interstate 20. Our crash data analysis showed that heavy trucks were involved in a total of 42 crashes that resulted in at least one severe injury or a fatality within the 3 most populated counties of Georgia. This amounts to an average of one such crash every 8 to 9 days. And truck drivers were considered to be responsible for 2 out of every 5 based on the results and explanations shown in the crash reports that we compiled. We then decided to do a deeper investigation to find out if driver fatigue could be rightfully suspected as being the cause of some of these crashes. Although fatigue was not suspected as the cause of 7 out of the 17 crashes that we did our deeper analysis and investigation into, the remaining 10 did provide good reasons to suspect a driver fatigue. These included factors such as the truck driver reacting too slowly or using poor judgment even when the roadway conditions and visibility was good. There were even certain cases where the truck driver continued to drive along and later admitted to not even noticing that they had sideswiped somebody. The main limitation we had to deal with in our research is the simple fact that the police are not actually required to report or suspect in their reports that fatigue was responsible for any of these crashes. We had to do our deeper dive into the evidence to determine whether fatigue was involved, and all the evidence points to this urgent need to implement AI as soon as reasonably possible in order to mitigate these dangerous effects of truck driver fatigue.
Driver fatigue remains one of the most pressing safety challenges on our highways. Our